It's been a long time coming, but I finally got them. The Sony XB950b1s. And we'll check them out right after this.
This is, you listening to Travis.
What up, players? Welcome back. And for all you new people, welcome. My name's Travis and I do tech videos every single week and I have a blast doing them. If that sounds fun to you, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Any products I talk about will be in the description below, so check them out. But for now, let's get into the video. Let me tell you the story. About 8 months ago, I heard an amazing pair of bass headphones, the Sony XB950b1s, and I wanted them. I wanted them so bad. So I went to Best Buy, I grabbed them, started to walk out, and then listened to the Skull Candy Crusher Wireless. I actually have a video about how they're my actual favorite headphones right here, so make sure to check that out. So I never got a chance to get these until recently. They went on sale, and I love the blue. I had to have them, so let's unbox them. So here they are, beautiful blue. I love them. Now, normally I don't hear headphones before I review them, and I did hear these before, but it was like 7 months ago, so I kind of don't count that. It'll be new all over again. So some quick specs, 18 hours of battery life, 40mm drivers, over the ear, which I love, aptX support, so low latency and allegedly better quality, and NFC support, so you can just tap and pair. That's actually what I did to pair my phone, so in preparation to listen to these. And they come in many different colors, but this is my favorite. This blue is phenomenal. I love it. I'm in love with it. It's the best. But I love over-the-ear headphones, so these are gonna be great for me. There is one thing I'm really concerned about. On Amazon, you can see tons of reviews of this thing breaking right here. And that scares me. Let me just say this much. If these break in that place, you will know about it. I will make a video about it. But the head sponge is pretty nice. The ear cups are really thick. Oh my goodness, really thick and cushiony, almost feel like a marshmallow. And I just can't wait to get these on and turn the bass all the way up. Put You Know You Like It by DJ Snake, my favorite song to test these things out on. And I'll test other music and stuff off camera, but that's the one I'm gonna listen to when you guys watch. Okay, the feel is great. They're just right over top of my ears. They're not pressurizing my face at all. They're just kind of sitting there. I can barely feel the top. They feel great. They're not heavy. And I can't wait to get the song in. Now, there's a bass on and off mode, and there is an app. Now, I'm not gonna test it with the app because ain't nobody got no time for that. I mean, really, how often are you gonna be listening to music and then turn on the app to change a setting? Maybe it makes it sound a little bit better, but I just wanna hear what the headphones sound like with the bass on and off. So I'm gonna start with the bass off, okay? Now, I can't hear myself speaking at all right now. So while they may not be noise canceling, I certainly can't hear anything. Highs and mids are okay, not bad. Here we go. Bass line in 3, 2, 1, here we go. Woo! Is that off? It's gotta be on, because that's deep bass, that's nice. Now, as I mentioned in my favorite headphone video, the Skull Candy Crushers are my favorite bass headphones, but these are a tighter bass and kind of a more visceral feel. The Skull Candies actually like rattle your head, which I love, which is great. But these, you actually kind of hear the bass more than feel it. And if that was with the bass effect off, that was really good. The highs and mids, they're not like crisp. They're, I don't want to say dirtied, but they're, you can definitely feel like there's a little bit more bass to the higher end. So it's not real crisp, but it sounds great. And it's certainly, if you love bass, it's really good. Now I'm gonna turn the bass effect on and get back to that bass line. Okay, I just pressed the button for bass effect and it did say that it's just now turned on. So the fact that it wasn't on a minute ago is pretty phenomenal. Here we go. The bass line's gonna come back and I cannot hear myself right now. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Woo! Woo, that's fun. Okay, let's talk about the things I do and don't like. Number one, shout out to Sony for never giving you any extra things in the box. Like, you buy their speakers or headphones or whatever, you don't get any kind of cases or nothing. You ain't getting nothing but the device. Having said that, the device is awesome. And it says extra bass, and let me tell you, it means extra bass. Now the problem is those ear cups are really tight in, like your ears sweat. I'm just gonna tell you, your ears are gonna sweat. But it's fun, it has great bass. If you have a lot of bass songs, this is definitely the headphones for you. But it doesn't knock off the Crushers. To me, the Crushers just have too much of bass, too much amazing ability to be adapted, but I do love these. I love the way they look. I like them, I'm gonna keep them, I'm gonna use them. I'm just excited to have them. If this video helped you out in any way, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share it to all your friends. And if it didn't, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share it to all your friends. I do videos every single week and have a blast doing them. I hope to see you again real soon. Peace and love, peace and love.